Welcome back to my channel. Let us look at rule 3, equal precedence left to right. So this is a little different from infix to postfix, right? This is a little different from infix to postfix, and let us look at this rule. If the incoming operator has equal precedence, then associativity is checked. If the associativity is left to right, the incoming operator is pushed into the stack, right? Incoming operator is pushed into the stack. In postfix we popped the operator from the stack, but here we push the incoming operator into the stack. That's the difference here. So with this example, you will have a much better idea about what the rule is. So here, this is my expression a star b by c. I will first reverse this expression. So I will say here c by b star a, and then I will have here input stack output. We will scan this expression from left to right. C is not an operator. I will put it in the output. By, nothing is there in the stack, so I will push division into the stack, and this will become the top of the stack, and then I will have here C. Now B is not an operator. Division remains as it is. C, B, and then comes star. Now this is where our rule 3 applies. If the incoming operator star has equal precedence than the operator in the stack, that is division. As we can see here star and division both have equal precedence. The precedence is 2. Therefore what do we do? In postfix we used to pop the operator out of the stack. Here we push the operator into the stack. Therefore division star, and CB remains as it is. So we have scanned C, division, B star, and then comes A, CB A, right? And now we have scanned the whole expression. Now we will pop out this operator first and then this one. So I'll say here CBA star. I have popped out star, and then the remaining operator is by, so I'll pop out this one. So this is our postfix expression. We need to convert this into into prefix. Therefore I just reverse this. So I will say here by star A B C. This is my prefix expression for this infix expression. This rule is called equal precedence, and if the associativity is from left to right. So basically here, if the associativity is from left to right, and if you are converting from infix to prefix, then you need to push the incoming operator into the stack, right? I hope you have understood rule number 3, and if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section. I will answer it. Thank you for watching.